Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome back to another video from Foxer. So in today's video we are going to tell you about Shopify best products, which I think the one product which I will tell you today will be a best product that will help you grow your sales and etc etc. So moving on, we will come to Firefox browser, and first let me clear the history. Okay, it's cleared already. So now if I come to here and search on AliExpress, so I will come up to this, but as you know that I can't show any other website because AliExpress is a really good website that ensures the quality plus quantity, and it's in cheap prices. That's also so. Actually, I'm from Pakistan, so I will get this in English PKR. So I will change it to USD. So let me just change it to the USD. Yeah, now I will save it, and it will show me all the prices in US dollars. So now I'm going here to search for watches. Okay, now what are these digital watches that you wear on your hand for time seeing, but today smartwatches that came, which who's you have a great amount of orders in Shopify of this. So just have a look at this one because kids mostly buy it, and look, $7.51, $3 shipping, like $10. And if I show you this in another thing, look, 7.51 plus 3.16, like $10. And kids wristwatch, it's almost in Shopify consists of like $51 something extra. And if you consider this type of watches, like this type of this $36 free shipping, and just look at how much he's making with it. Let me show you where these are watches. So let me just give you a little example. So for example, if this man is selling for $36, okay, 36 multiple, and he has sold 22,010 sales almost, okay, 2209. So I will multiply it, 2209 multiply by now 36. Look how much it is, $79,000 he have made from only this Shopify business, etc etc. So you have to do the same. You have to put the products from here, and you have to sell them in Shopify, and you double the price, and inshallah you will get more customers and clients. So in today's video, goodbye from right now, and I will see you in that next video.